Well, hello again, my fellow modelers. So, I just wanted to give a quick update on the scale build of Gentleman. And you could see I've got on the Deuce, I've got it pretty much mocked up. Got the body all painted, got some flames on there. Still need another coat of interior. Have the engine kind of mocked up. Yeah, but so I'm pretty happy with this one. I did end up gluing the door shut just because I did not have the little tiny hinges on the doors. So yeah, not a big deal on this one. I really didn't really care if the doors opened anyway. So not a huge deal. Let's see, the 32 Chevy. This thing has turned out awesome. I love this. I gave it kind of a patina paint job. Got all the wiring done on the motor. Fuel line run. So yeah, I'm just really happy how this one's turned out. This thing is cool. So there's the underbody real quick. Still kind of working on that one. I'm going to make it a little more, it's going to have a little more surface rust to it. So what I did on this is just primered it and then sanded it down and went over it with a clear. That's something that they're kind of doing in the hot rod community now. So I thought it would be pretty cool to do this one. So yeah, that's my update. Nothing too crazy. Hopefully I'm trying to get these darn things done. But man, is it taking a long time. I've just got a lot of things going on right now in life. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, what's that you say? What are the cars in the background? Well, let me just show you. So I just did a video on doing some Behr paint. It's a brand new item that I just picked up at Home Depot. I'm pretty happy with the results. So check out that video and I will talk to you later. Thanks a lot. This is Jerry signing out.